Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some sugar coated strawberry. So let me show you the ingredients that you will need in order to do this simple and delicious munch.
White sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cups of water, and honey. It's a very simple and delicious little snack that kids would love.
Right? Okay. Remember, whenever you have the strawberry, must be washed firstly, and it must be firm. It mustn't have any bruises or anything like that. It must be, and wash it thoroughly, please, before using.
Don't want any germs.
Right, no germs. So I did wash this with some vinegar. I soak it in some vinegar water for
Or salt and water.
for like 2 or 3 minutes, and then wash it up. So here we go now. So we're gonna have this pot, which is a saucepan. You'll be having this, and then I'm gonna add 1 cup of sugar into the sauce. Turn this over.
So we're gonna turn the stove on and add 1 cup of white.
1/4 cup of water into the right,
Ooh, nice sizzling.
and then
You want to stir it up a little and wait until the sugar gets
well
really thick
dissolved.
and dissolved and gets thick and nice. Yeah. I stopped. I paused.
Are you guys okay? Okay, stay right here. I'll be right back.
This is a very short video, all right? This video is not going to be too long. Once the sugar has melted and you see this liquid started to get real thick, then we're gonna dip this into the sugar. All right, remember you have to start it off by biting it on high heat, and then you can turn it down as you see it started to get thicken. All right.
Make sure you wash your hands too. Oop, this one's bruised. This one, you don't want any of these.
See that one bruised? You don't need anyone like that. What? And yes, I forgot to show you guys this toothpick. It must be a very long toothpick, because when you're going to be rich it into this liquid, you don't want it to burn your hands or anything like that, right? And you must stick it in here like this, all
At
right?
the point where you can hold it properly and it won't fall off. If you hold it like this, it's gonna fall off.
Yeah, you have to make sure so you put it
All the
firm
way to the middle.
so that it could hold properly. So when you're ready to dip it into this thick liquid, it will be able to hold, all right?
To get like this type of bubble.
Yeah. 1 tablespoon of honey,
And you can see black sugar pieces.
and you see that it gets real thick. Now that it gets thick, I'm gonna turn the stove down very
It's
low.
gonna turn it around.
And remember, whenever your kids are around here, this is not for kids be around. It's very dangerous, all right?
Yes, make sure you have parental supervision.
Okay.
Yeah,
And this is what we're looking for. This kind of a consistency we are looking for. Thick. So I turn the stove down very low. Alright? Okay. So now I'm gonna start by dipping this into the we're gonna start dipping this like this. Remember, you don't want this to, alright?
So you're going to dip it, and then you want it to swirl around so you can actually like cover up
Yeah.
the
You want it to,
strawberries. And we're going to use this to place. So you're going to want to have a bowl or something, place them on, and they're going to sit and cool until they're nice and hard. So yeah, let's go back to screwing those other strawberries.
Take the narcolepsy symptom screener and find a sleep specialist to share your results. Don't wait. Visit moreandtired.com today. I love this. I've seen a huge
so this is the last two. And remember, you have to keep the stove on a very low so that you could able to swirl this thing around. You don't want it to get hard, alright? Gonna do?
So there's more space. I'm gonna do one by one. Okay, so let's do the last two. Oh. Swirl it. And that's done. The last one. Swirl so it gets all covered. That drip the excess stuff.
Okay, if this one is not staying, maybe it's too slack. Make sure that you right, so.
And we're gonna.
So here you have it, alright? Remember, whenever you make this, do not keep them together. You have to separate them,
My
alright?
phone died.
In order for it to, whenever you're ready to take one and eat it, it mustn't stick together, alright? Again, this is it. And you have to make sure that it's hard. But once you have it together like this, you will find yourself in some sort of a difficulty when you're gonna remove one to eat it, alright? So this is it. Remember, as I said before, once you put them together and it get hard, it can be, kind of little flaky, buttery, I don't know. But let me give you a taste test. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. This is real good.
So he blames you for the days later.
Mm.
Your one night stand had to be part of some sick plan for revenge.
Mm-mm-mm-mm.
He's trying to do to us what he thinks I did to him.
James, I'm so sorry.
Don't.
It's like an appetizer,
Manipulative.
a
Take
sweet.
advantage of you.
It got a kind of crunchy taste to the and the sourness inside. All right.
Forgive me. And I took some for you. We should have done back at the show.
Are you calling the cops?
Mm.
Investigator. It's an old friend of mine. We need to do this right and collect evidence.
Don't forget to subscribe,
Otherwise, none of us is gonna
like this video,
hurry.
and give this video a thumbs up.
James. I know.
Nice to munch on. All right. See you in the next one. All right. Bye bye.